SmartArt graphics can help you create dynamic-looking text that illustrates the message of your presentation. In this lesson, you'll create a SmartArt graphic, and you'll modify the SmartArt design. We want to increase the impact of the text on this slide by converting it to this SmartArt graphic. A SmartArt graphic is a professional quality diagram that visually illustrates text. SmartArt can help you show the steps in a process, illustrate proportional relationships, or show how separate parts relate to a whole. So let's get started. In step 1, I'll click the Slide 3 thumbnail. And here in the text object, I'll click Adventure. Then I'll go up to the paragraph group, and I'll click the Convert to SmartArt Graphic button. This gallery of SmartArt graphic layouts opens, and in step 2, I'll move the pointer over the different layouts, and a live preview of each one appears on the slide. Notice how the text becomes part of the graphic. Now in step 3, I'll click the Vertical Picture Accent List layout. And this SmartArt graphic appears on the slide in place of the text object. Up here on the ribbon, the SmartArt Tools Design tab also opens. A SmartArt graphic consists of two parts, the graphic itself here on the right, and this text pane where you type and edit text. In step 4, I'll click each of the bullet points in the text pane, and as I do that, you can see that a selection box appears around the corresponding text object in the SmartArt graphic. Now I'll click this small Text Pane Control button, and the pane closes. You can use this control to open and close the pane, or you can use the Text Pane button here in the Create Graphic group. We want to choose a different layout for this graphic, so in step 5, I'll go up to the Layouts group, I'll click the More button, and at the bottom, I'll click More Layouts. This dialog box allows you to choose from a wide variety of SmartArt graphics. Here on the left, I'll click Relationship, I'll scroll down, and I'll click the Basic Venn Layout icon. I'll click OK, and the SmartArt graphic changes to this new layout. You can radically change how a SmartArt graphic looks by applying a SmartArt style. A SmartArt style is a preset combination of simple and 3D formatting options that follows the presentation theme. In step 6, here in the SmartArt Styles group, you can see that the Simple Fill style is currently selected. I'll move the pointer over the other styles, and a live preview is displayed on the SmartArt graphic. Next, I'll click the More button, and this gallery appears. PowerPoint suggests the SmartArt styles here at the top as the best match for the document. In step 7, I'll move the pointer over some of the styles here in the 3D section. And then I'll click Cartoon. This style adds a black outline and shading to each of the round text objects. By the way, if you ever want to change a SmartArt graphic back into a standard text object, you can use the Convert to Text command here in the Reset group. Finally, in step 8, I'll click a blank area of the slide, and I'll save our changes. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn more about choosing SmartArt graphics for your presentation, turn to page PowerPoint 30 in your book.